The livestock industry changes quickly, and these changes often bring unique disease challenges. Innovation in diagnostics and vaccines is essential to help prevent animal disease, maintain a healthy food supply, and reduce the need for using antibiotics in animals.
I've been a veterinary practitioner for 32 years, and through that time period, there have been new viruses and bacteria that we've had to deal with. The challenge for veterinarians and their producers is trying to prevent disease, animal suffering, improve performance and productivity, and do this in a timely manner. With traditional commercial vaccines, companies would go out and find a strain of bacteria or virus, and they would make that into a vaccine. That's a long process, and it takes from 4 to 7 years to find the virus or the bacteria, put it through the regulatory hoops that commercial vaccines need to jump through, and then present it to our industry. The problem going forward is that we need quicker solutions. Turnaround time for farm-specific vaccines is 6 to 8 weeks. So the advantage is quick turnaround that helps the producer. One of the examples is infections of the eye, where we see certain bacteria and certain viruses that can cause problems. Normally, we will use commercial vaccines where it makes sense, and when those fail or we see other disease challenges where there's no commercial vaccine, that's when we look for farm-specific vaccines to pull out of our toolbox and implement.
As in human medicine, changing viruses and bacteria are an ongoing challenge in veterinary medicine. The use of molecular biology techniques, such as gene sequencing and DNA fingerprinting, save valuable time in diagnosing complex problems.
Our goal as a diagnostic lab is to help veterinarians and producers identify and isolate bacteria or viruses that might be affecting their herds. We're able to isolate, identify an organism, and build a vaccine within a matter of months. So we can provide very fast turnaround for the veterinarians and the producers.
Veterinarians have a growing responsibility for herd health, antibiotic stewardship, and animal welfare, utilizing next-generation diagnostics to precisely identify viruses and bacteria that may be causing illnesses in animals. Cambridge Technologies works synergistically with Veterinary Medical Center in Worthington, Minnesota, and other veterinarians across the country to maintain the health and welfare of the livestock industry.
Cambridge Technologies is an autogenous vaccine company. What we're doing is building a bacterin or a vaccine for farm-specific customers. One of the benefits to a farm-specific or autogenous vaccine, when you really think about it, it makes sense. Just like the flu vaccine for humans gets updated every year based on the viruses that are circulating, it's the same thing on the farm. Not everyone has the same virus circulating, not everyone has the same bacteria circulating. So some of the commercial vaccines that are out there are essentially outdated, where strains are no longer relevant to what is actually on the farm. So we're able to take that diagnostic sample where we've isolated the pathogen that's caused the disease, grow it here, and produce an inactivated product that's able to protect against that organism. One of the benefits of the precision vaccinology techniques that we have here at Cambridge is the flexibility in product formulation. So not only do we have those standards in formulation where we want to ensure that each product is at our relative minimum protective dose, but also that the product is built in a way that the customer wants it built.
Innovative technologies are a really big deal to me because it allows me to offer fast and accurate diagnostics and tools to bring back to the producer. I am blessed and spoiled with the relationship with Cambridge because I can just pick up the phone and talk to any one of their staff members on what's going on. And they lead me down the right route. Having the ability to utilize next generation technology and sequencing and working with a company like Cambridge makes me a better veterinarian because I can offer solutions to problems that historically we've never had solutions to. Animal agriculture and the world as a whole is changing so fast, and so we need to constantly be chasing the next best solution to make a healthier animal and a more productive animal providing the world with a safe, wholesome food supply.
Cambridge Technologies and veterinary practices like Veterinary Medical Center are using next-generation diagnostics and quality custom vaccines to help the livestock industry manage existing and emerging animal health problems. For more information, visit cambridgetechnologies.com or vmcclinic.com.